हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 10 इंग्लिश कुमार भारती यूनिट 1 1.5 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके पहले हम 1.4 तक कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे तो उन्हें ज़रूर से देखिएगा। प्ले लिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 1.5 जॉन ऑफ आर्क के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, जिसमें सबसे पहले हमें दिया गया है अबाउट द लेसन। इसके बाद हमें दिए गए हैं न्यू वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस। सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस गिवन टू यू। आप इसे देख सकते हैं सारे मीनिंग्स। इसके बाद में हमारा आता है वार्मिंग अप। इसके बाद आता है इमेजिन दैट यू आर द कैप्टन ऑफ योर स्कूल कबड्डी टीम। योर फाइनल मैच इज अगेंस्ट अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम। योर टीम मेंबर्स आर श्योर दैट यू विल लूज। हाउ विल यू बूस्ट देयर मोरल? वर्क इन ग्रुप एंड प्रिपेयर a short list of what can encourage the team. So these are the answer here. इसके बाद में हमारा आता है एडिंग डिफरेंट प्रीपोजिशंस टू द सेम एक्शंस वर्ब चेंजेस द मीनिंग ऑफ द फ्रेजेस thus formed. Guess the difference in meanings of the underlined phrases. Then second one. Then third one. इसके बाद हमारे आते हैं इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। सो फर्स्ट वन, व्हाई हैड जॉन वांटेड टू मीट कैप्टन स्क्वायर? Then name the persons who John needed to free Orleans. Was the dauphin fit to be the prince and heir? What was the squeeze's opinion about miracles? What did Robert accuse? What shows John is a person of immense faith? Why were the French soldiers always beaten? What dress did John want? What made Robert finally agree to the plan? Then move to English workshop. Read the extract from G.B. Shaw's play on Joan of Arc and fill in the tree diagram. So Joan of Arc, and this is a tree diagram. Next, from the extract, find what the following are compared to and why so. As easy as mad as. These are the answer. So A, B, C, D, E. You can pause the video and write the answer. Then say why. Write it in your notebook. John wanted to meet Captain Square. So answer. John did not ask for many soldiers from the Captain's Square. This is the answer. Pauline, Jack and Dick had offered to accompany John. So answer. French soldiers were always beaten in war. Then Captain Square Robert said, I wash my hands of it. It's an answer. Then personal response. Pick out from the extract of the play 2 lines that provide evidence for each of the following. So this is the question. Her confidence, her courage, her optimism, her determination, her patriotism, then using the above points, frame a character sketch of a Joan of Arc in your own words. Suggest in an attractive title for the same. The Girl Fighter Joan of Arc. आपको आंसर के लिए वीडियो पॉज कीजिए बच्चों. और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या फिर मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए. देन लेट्स एनालिसिस. Then grammar and vocabulary building. इसके बाद make the following sentences affirmative without change of meaning. I am not so sure now. I am unsure. He will not be able to stop them. He will be unable to stop them. I don't remember. I have forgotten. I fail to remember. I can do no more. I can do only this much. Sir, do not anger her. Sir, refrain from making her angry. I shall not want many soldiers. I shall want only a few soldiers. Then fill in the gaps in the table. Word forms. These are here given. Noun, verb, adjective and adverbs. This is a table they have given us. Then language study. Make meaningful sentences by using the given phrases. Big amount of money, under lock and key, in front of, or form two present participles by first doubling or repeating the last letter of the original word. Use the given adverbs in your own sentence. First is grimly, eagerly, newly, or write two compound words, courtyard, blockhead. Make sentence, tear, tear. Choose the correct alternatives based on homophones, homographs. Answer, your answer. Write a pair of homophones with a difference in meanings. Make a word register of 8 words related to technology. Science, computer, automation, laser, robotics, technology, machinery, mechanics. Spot the error. Do you thought I ought to have another talks with her? Do you think I ought to have another talk with her? Pick out the infinitive from the following sentences. To give. Find the hidden words. Soldiering. Obstinately. Complete the following word chain with adjectives. Successful, loyal, lengthy, young, gentle, fabulous, stylish, hardworking, gorgeous, simple, do as directed. I do not remember. Affirmative, I fail to remember. There is something about her. Interrogative, isn't there something about her? Rewrite the sentence using the present perfect tense. I have finished all my homework on time. Use of present participle, gerund, infinitive, fill in the blanks with correct alternates. The answers are given here directly. You can see. Pause the video. Punctuate the following sentence. From two past participles by doubling or repeating the last letter of the original word. Cross the odd word out. Arrange the following words in an alphabetical order. Medium questions. Pick out the modal auxiliary and state its function. Direct and indirect narration. Do as directed. Identify the clause. Challenging questions. Use the following words as noun and as verb. Conversion of simple, compound and complex sentence. Change the degree of comparison. Change the voice. Convert into simple sentence. Then comprehension. See whether true or false and correct the false statement. Then complex factual. Name the following. Joan demands. The people who would willingly go with John. The place where John was going. Vocabulary. Pick out words from the extract that mean the following. Then do as directed. Then why according to you did John want to meet Captain Square? It's a personal response answer. आपको किसी और चैप्टर की क्वेश्चन आंसर चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर से बताइए. मैं उस पर वीडियो बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगी. Simple factual activities. Fill in the blanks with words from the extract. Complex factual activities. Answer the following in just a word or a phrase. who was a bit of miracle, the girl, Joan, who offered to go with the girl, Jack and Dick, who was in Chinon, the Dauphin, who is Pauline. Adjective form noun form, then grammar, do as directed, who is wrong with it, miracles are alright, I am not sure now. Then personal response, read the extract carefully and do the activity, simple factual, fill in the blanks with words from the extract. Match phrases in column A with those in column B. So these are the answers here given. Vocabulary, form verbs from, antonyms, do as directed, according to John, why were the French soldiers always beaten? Creative writing, read the script from and write a summary of that part of the script in the indirect speech in 15 to 20 lines. तो इसी के साथ में हमने 1.5 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिनिश किए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करेंगे 1.6 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.